Choose a green central vacuum. If you are in the market for a central vacuum system for your home, go green. Central vacuum systems are installed in one area of your home. The motor and collector unit are built into a specific area of the house. A lightweight hose is then plugged into the unit to suck out the dirt, dust, and debris. Examples of green central vacuums are those made by Imperium, Vacu-Flo, and Vacu-Maid. There are several questions you need to ask yourself before you choose a green central vacuum. Is it sustainable? You want your central vacuum to last as long as possible. There are central vacuum systems that have what is called an interrupter. This is to extend the life of the vacuum's motor. When the vacuum senses that the brush is at the end of its usable life, a special interrupter stops the motor. This will allow you to replace the vacuum's brushes before it damages the motor. Does it save energy? Some central vacuum systems have a standby power switch. When an appliance is on standby power, it still uses up energy that could actually be saved. Look for a system that has an on/off switch that completely turns the unit off. This type of central vacuum can save you energy costs. There is no energy leakage since it doesn't use vampire power or standby power. Also look for a vacuum with a turbine power head instead of one with an electric power head. Is it made from recyclable or reusable materials? Select a central vacuum system with parts that are green built. This means that the processes as well as the materials used by the manufacturer are environment friendly. The vacuum should be made of metal. The materials used to package the actual central vacuum together with the parts should be made of recyclable materials as well. There should be no styrofoam pieces in the packaging. Go with a company who can recycle your older central vacuum system. Does the system come with a bag? If the central vacuum system uses a bag to store the dirt and dust, it is not green. Go for a bagless system that helps save the trees as well as lessen its impact on landfills. You also save money when you don't have to buy replacement bags all the time. The filter used by the vacuum must be washable and permanent for the system to be considered environment friendly. Does the central vacuum system vent outside? A benefit of a green central vacuum system is to keep the quality of the indoor air at a high level. It should keep your home completely dust-free. This means the vacuum system should be vented towards the outside. All the allergens, dust, and dirt are directed outside the home, completely making the inside of the house clean. Looking for a green central vacuum is not difficult. There are a number of companies that are conscious about their impact on the environment. These are manufacturers who make central vacuum systems that are environment-friendly, using recyclable materials and employing green manufacturing processes in producing their product. A green central vacuum system is the way to go if you want to lessen your negative impact on nature and build a greener home.